and welcome to TAIK. I am mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about search versus find DAX in Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. I have this Power BI file. Let's create a column. Search, find text. I need to find A, comma. Within text is a column name. In this staff list table, and then start position start from 1. If it is not found, what is the value I have to return? Let's return, as this is a string, right? So let's return blank. I have made a video about the blank versus is blank. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. Now coming back to this one, once it is done, click on commit. It will add one row here, and if you find this search column, it find A, because I have written a small a here. So it returns here the first character, here nothing found, here second, and here the fifth one. This for the column, right? You can also use it for the custom text if you want to. Say for example like this. Instead of this one, I want to put it as mango and commit. So it creates a column for mango 222 is there. Now let's use this one. I want to find this one in this list and click on commit, and it all returns blank because you can't able to find this one. This accent sensitive, so you can't able to find this character. Now let's create the find one. Column find text is A. Within text is the name. Start position 1. If not found, blank. Close bracket and then commit. As the find is case sensitive, so you can't able to find the capital A in Adam. So it search for the small a in there. Even you can use this for the character, I mean the static string like mango. If you put it as all in capital, it returns blank because it gets sensitive. So let's put a small one here and then put the accent character. Click commit. It returns blank because it is also case accent sensitive, so it can't able to find this character. By seeing this one, you can able to get the difference between the search and the find DAX function in Power BI. This is a comparison chart between these two. Both of them returns the number of character at which a specific character or a text string is found. But the difference is search is not a case sensitive, whereas the find is case sensitive. And both of them are accent sensitive. Like this example I have given here, the search can find a small a if the string or the column has capital A, whereas find cannot find it because it is case sensitive. Like the same, the both of them can't find the accent sensitive, like this character cannot be found on this one. I hope you got a brief idea about the difference between the search and find DAX function in Power BI. If you like this video, please click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any comments and feedback, post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.